Okay, this is what you see. It's ideal and let's say a dream for every adult in this world. Everybody wants a place by the sea with the waves that make this nice and lovely sound and etc. But we got with us a motorcycle that is a dream of a teenager. So we will speak now about this teenage dream from China. A bike that looks of course like a Svartbilen, but is not. It's a Zondes G155 and 125. It's exactly the same bike with 3 horses more. What we got? We got a very well equipped, beautiful motorcycle from China. It's existing in 125 cubics and in 155 cubics. This one is in 155 cubics. What we got in this bike? We got, first of all, we got protection for our bike, okay? We got dirt tires, so it's good tires and for the dirt and for the street, so that means that this bike is a scrambler, and it is for sure. Entry bike for a teenager for the dirt. Okay, we got LED lights that they are very beautiful. We got this small detail that is protected the flashlights of the bike. We got what else we got? We got a screen that it's got the basic things on it. It's got, you know, kilometer counter, RPM counter, total kilometers, daily kilometers, thermocracy, fuels and things like this. And I have to mention here that I have seen some other models a little bit different screen. Not so beautiful as this one, but color. This one is not a colored screen. So, what else? We don't have a double stand, we got only single stand, and I have to going up. Okay, do I feel comfortable? Of course I feel comfortable. The seat, the saddle is a little bit hard, but it's very ergonomical. I feel very good, and the best part in this bike as you are sitting on it is the bar. The bar is big, with nice angles, and you feel very comfortable. The worst part in this bike then you are going up is the mirrors, because the position of the mirrors is stuck here, your hand, if you are wearing a glove. It's not so comfortable. You have to find a way to take these mirrors a bit up. Okay, what else? I don't have metal teeth in my footrest. It's only rubber, and also rubber is for Georgia. Georgia, please come. The bike can carry 2 persons. It's okay. And also the power it's enough for 2 persons, even in 125 cubics, even in 155 cubics. Georgia.
Well, it can carry 2 persons, but small persons. The back person must be a little bit small, because
but it's 125 cubics. It's for teenagers. It's
yes.
For somebody who move inside the city. You can move easily. We don't consider that you're going to travel with this motorcycle for sure.
But you have to put your leg somewhere.
First of all, the beauty. Okay, άντε. Πήγαινε Γεωργία. Πήγαινε και θα σκεφτώ ένα ποίημα μετά για την ομορφιά. Okay, the saddle is nice, all the others are not so good, we're not protected, not mirrors, but the sound is nice. The gearbox is very nice, and let's go. The first thing that we will do is to change some directions like we do inside the town. Yeah. Okay, it's something that we do it very easy, it's positive for the town. Also the brakes are very good. Now the performance. The performance, it's small bike, needs a passion, so we have time. Feta. That's it, slow and nice. What we got here? Okay, it's a nice and beautiful bike with a nice LED light, very beautiful LED light. We got a fork that is more than enough for this bike, and we got 2 piston brake here and aluminium wheel that is very beautiful one. Very hard to wash it as it is, but it's a very beautiful one. Okay, the tires, they are soft, it's okay. you don't have to change it, are okay. And the radiator, it's here up, and this is a problem because it's not protected. We have a kind of protection here, I don't know for what. Back, we got a piece of art. We got a lovely back fork, a really very beautiful, made by aluminium. We got a suspension that looks like a White Power, and we got a single piston brake. And the exhaust all together, they are the most beautiful part of this anyway beautiful motorcycle. The brakes anyway are very good, 2-channel ABS, very good for the category, for sure. Now we are going to the engine. Okay, let's start with 125 cubics version that give us 14.7 horsepower at 9,000 RPM and 13 Nm at 7,000 RPM. And this is the only difference that we got between the 125 cubics version and the 155 cubics, that this one is 155 cubics version. Here we got 155 cubics, we got of course 18 horses at 9,250 RPM and 16 Nm at 7,500 RPM. It's of course 4-valve, liquid cool, 6-speed. Okay, it's 160 kilos and supposed by the book that is using 2.3 liters of gasoline per 100 kilometers. My opinion, all this time that we have it, that maybe the real consumption is less. I believe that is less. Anyway, the top speed think that is somewhere around 100 kilometers with somebody like me on it. But the power, it's enough to move 2 persons inside the city. So, and also to play in the dirt. Okay, you can move in the dirt inside. Now, for the dirt, of course the brakes are not so good, but the suspensions are better in the dirt than in the street. Okay, what we got? This is metal, black paint, and here this plastic, a fake frame, fits well, but it's a fake, you know. It's made with a bit of pearl on it. This is very good, but it's rubber. I don't know what will happen in time. And I don't know why we don't have a sprocket wheels. We got aluminum wheels that they are looks nice and with no corrosion on it, that we are living by the sea, but I think that it's very hard to wash it as it is. The back fork, it's aluminum, it's a piece of art as I say, but I don't like the back tank of the brake that is transparent. By the other hand, this brake tank, it's okay. I like a lot both of the lights of the bike, and the best part of this bike for me, it's the bar. Nice bar. I love it. I can take it off and put it even in another bike. So much I like it. Okay. The final product anyway looks great. It's okay. And it's a good made product. Finally, what I believe, This is a bike that we see it in ICMA of 2023, so that means that it's a brand new model, even if we have it already 1 year here in Greece. It's a beautiful bike by Zondes. Zondes is a Chinese brand who wants to dominate. Most of the bikes of Zondes, they got their own design. This is the only bike that it's a copy another bike, Svartbilen of course, and they do it very well. It's a beautiful bike, it's economical one, and is for sure ideal for teenager. This is a dream of teenager. A beautiful bike that is passing from the dirt, lovely. Now, for the adults who got the diploma of the car and they want to ride a 125 cubics motorcycle, it's okay also. My opinion is that always for the city is better the scooters, but you never know. So it's okay anyway. It's cornering nice, you feel safe on it, and till now, because this one is 1 year old, they have changed an O-ring in the exhaust, and that is missing, and 2 rings and the rings of the valves, and that's all. Okay, nothing else. We got no wear corrosion, and it's well made anyway. So Georgia, please come and tell us your opinion. Georgia,
Ooh, hello.
Georgia,
Hello, everybody.
Georgia, tell us.
Well, I will tell you that I find it very beautiful. I like the style. It's for smaller persons. It's obviously for smaller persons. I agree 100%. It's for teenagers, and I think.
And for the girl.
And for
the
and
girls
for
are not
girls, of course.
180 like you.
Of course. Well, yes, and I think it's a dream. It's a dream to have this motorcycle, and if
It's
we
so
had
beautiful.
If we had it in my younger years, I would have it. I like it. I like it very much.
Nice and lovely.
Yes.
Nice and lovely. So, ladies and gentlemen, I think that I have to stop the poetry
No.
and start the philosophy.
Oh no.
But I will start to do it at the next season. Till then, I have to continue with the poetry.
Oh well.
Στη θάλασσα καθόμουν να βλέπω κυματάκια και από πάνω μου περάσανε 3 καλά
Σκυλάκια. Γατάκια.
γατάκια.
Ναι, σ' αρέσει πιο πολύ.
Τα κοίταξα καλά, τα κοίταξα με χάρη και αμέσως τα χαιρέτησα με ένα χοντρό...
Μπαλαμάρι.
Όχι.
Καλαμάρι!
Καλαμάρι. Θαλασσινό, γιατί ήμουνα στο ψάρεμα
Ναι.
και είχα βγάλει καλαμάρια.
Ήρθαν τα γατάκια για να φάνε.
Να φάνε καλαμάρια και έκοψα λίγο από το καλέ.
Ναι.
Κατάλαβες εδώ. Ladies and gentlemen, what a great poetry show. This is not a motorcycle show. This is a poetry show. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, this is Georgia. And one is for Κόκκινα Φεγγάρια Motorcycle Rock Show. Thanks for watching us.